I was excited to be with other Jimny enthusiasts.
Ikaw ang Torres legend eh.
Family-oriented yung event.
Kaya siya, kakaibang experience.
Ayun nga, masaya, puro inom.
Hi, Cheska.
Casey from QC.
Taga San Pedro, Laguna po.
Yeah, this is my first time experiencing.
Hi, nandito ngayon tayo sa Jimny Fest 2025. Magtatanong tayo kung ano yung naging experience nila dito sa Jimny Fest 2025 located at Danes, Palayan City, Nueva Ecija. Tara!
Timeless legend.
Ano pa pangalan niyo, sir?
Vince,
Okay. Vince, taga saan po kayo?
taga Valenzuela.
Ano po yung na-experience nyo tong Jimny Fest 2025?
Actually, first time ko dito eh. Masaya siya. Tapos, yun, yung napansin ko nga, as mentioned last night, parang family-oriented yung event. So, hindi lang siya for the boys ba na mga nagka-camping lang, nag-overland. So, nag-focus siya sa family yan, yung mga anak, mga bata. Hindi siya parang mga usual lang na car club na, oh, meet tayo, ganyan. So, iba siya.
Hi, Cheska.
Taga saan po kayo, ma'am?
Cubao. Nag-drive kami from Cubao pa. Pero Santa Rosa ako talaga based before. Masaya. Actually, parang mas marami talagang tao. Tapos, yung area, mas gusto namin compared last year. And then, yun nga, parang ang dami rin activities na bago compared last 2 years pala. So, super fun siya talaga. Thank you po.
Casey from QC. Magsaya. This is our second Jimny Fest. So, definitely, it was bigger and better ngayong year.
Thank you!
I'm Chuva, actually, they call me Chuva. I'm from Mandaluyong, from Manila. I was actually looking forward to this very much kasi is my music too loud? Sorry. I was excited to be with other Jimny enthusiasts. It takes a certain kind of people, I think. So, parang nakakatawa to be with them all together. So, I was just looking forward to meet such people. So, and they're fun, very community-based. So, sharing and all of that. The way camping is, pero the added spark is you're all looking at their Jimneys and it's a reflection of who they are. So, it's really nice to see. Yeah.
Alright.
Thank you.
Eugene from Fairview.
Sir, ano po yung Jimny Fest 2025 experience nyo?
Kaya siya, kakaibang experience lalo na yung trail. First time namin na i-trail tong si Susi namin sa Ganong River, malaking river. The Calabasa River Trail.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you po.
Risha po. Taga San Pedro, Laguna po.
Okay, Risha. Ano po yung Jimny Fest 2025 experience nyo?
Masaya kasi sobrang dami ngayon. Tapos, nakakapagod. And hoping na mas mabilis yung sunod. Nakasaya.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you po.
What's your name, sir?
Hello, I'm Kim from Rizal.
Okay, Sir Kim. What's your Jimny Fest 2025 experience?
Yeah, this is my first time experiencing the Jimny 2025 or Jimny Fest. And it exceeds all my expectations. Sobrang daming freebies. Ang saya nung trail. Then, ready lahat nung participants and as well yung support. Then, I will looking forward for 2027 Jimny Fest.
Nice, sir. Okay.
Maraming salamat.
Sir, what's your name po?
Peter.
Okay.
Rafael. Taga Cebu po kami.
Oh,
Cebu.
Wow, Cebu. Solid. Okay. Sir, tanong ko is, what's your Jimny Fest 2025 experience?
Masaya. Kasi dami ka makita iba-ibang mga setup ng Jimny. Tapos yung mga camping setup din nila. Maganda. Ayun nga, masaya, puro inom. Yun nga, may mga resibo pa kami.
Yun naman. Okay.